This video will demonstrate how to schedule a live proctored exam with PSI Bridge. First, you'll need to follow the link provided to you by your organization to schedule your exam. This link will likely either be in an email or on your organization's website. If you do not have this link, please contact your sponsor organization. There, you will see a button to schedule your exam or view details about your exam. When you're ready, click Schedule Your Exam. You'll first need to verify the exam you have selected. Next, choose that you will be taking a remote online proctored exam. On the following page, you'll need to select your exam language, country, and time zone from the drop-downs provided. Choose the date and time slot you would like to take your exam, and hit the Continue button. You will then need to confirm your appointment time before paying for your exam. When your exam day has arrived, the Launch Exam button will be enabled on your scheduling website for you to click on. It will be enabled up to 15 minutes prior to your exam appointment. For more information on the live proctoring process, please view our video, How to Take a Live Proctored Exam Using PSI Bridge. And good luck on your exam!